The last tool in this list of project management tools is tree diagrams. In tree, we have branches, and branches again divide into sub branches. That's what you see in tree, and that's what you have in tree diagrams. In tree diagrams, you have one idea which branches into multiple ideas, and then which again branches into more sub ideas. So that's what a tree diagram is, to break down a particular big item into smaller pieces. So let's look at one example of tree diagram on the next slide. So here I have the tree diagram for improving the quality of my online course. So that's what is my top objective, to improve the quality of the course, and then I divide that into multiple areas. Here I am looking at the quality of videos, I am looking at the quality of quizzes, I am looking at the quality of additional exercises which I can have in the course. And then again, once it comes to video, I can improve upon the quality of the audio in the video and adding visuals in this video. So one basic idea which was improving course quality could be subdivided and sub-subdivided. This is what a tree diagram is. Another example of this could be one used in probability, even though we are not going into the details of probability, but let's look at a quick simple example on the next slide, which is again the implementation of tree diagrams in calculating the probability of tossing a coin. So here I have another example of tree diagrams. In this, what I am doing is I am tossing a coin. So if you toss a coin, the chance of getting head and chance of getting tail is equal. So that's what you see here. Head is 1 by 2. The chance or the probability of getting tail is 1 by 2. And second time, if you flip the coin, then again you have half chance of getting head, half chance of getting tail. So this is how you break down. Now if I ask you what is the probability of getting the first head and the second head, so what you will do is, for first head you will go to the top box, and for the second head you will go to the second top box, which is here. So with this you can say that the chance of getting 2 consecutive heads is 1 by 4. So this was a simple example of tree diagram. So with this we complete our discussion on the project management tools which you need to know as Six Sigma Yellow Belt, and here we covered 5 project management tools.